everybody, it's Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com. Before we jump into this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. That way you get notified every time we post a new video for you. Okay, we're gonna do a deep dive in this video. You might wanna put on a seatbelt, get everything going, strap in. We're tackling Walt Disney World. Now, as you know, Walt Disney World has 4 theme parks, okay? Walt Disney World consists of Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot. Now, each has their own set of lands, attractions, entertainment, and dining options. Each park also offers its own set of experiences as well. Knowing what you're looking for when going to the theme parks can really help you decide which parks to go to, which parks to miss. All right, let's talk about the classic Magic Kingdom. Now, it's super funny because we get this like, I want to go to Disney World, and they're actually thinking of the Magic Kingdom. Remember, Disney World has all 4 parks, not just Magic Kingdom, okay? It opened back in 1971 and is the oldest of the parks, although it still looks young. Still looks under 30. I mean, it looks good for its age. This is the park that displays the classic Cinderella Castle that we've all grown to love. Sitting on 107 acres of land, Magic Kingdom has 6 main areas: Main Street, USA, Liberty Square, Adventureland, Fantasyland, Frontierland, and Tomorrowland. Each area has their own attractions and food places. Some of the main rides at Disney's Magic Kingdom are the Jungle Cruise, Mad Tea Party, Haunted Mansion, my favorite, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, Space Mountain, Splash Mountain, and It's a Small World After All. It's a small world after all. That's all they need. But it's still cool. For dining, Magic Kingdom offers quite a bit of selection from quick service to full service. Dole Whip to filet mignon. Filet mignon with Dole Whip on top of it. I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, you could do that if you wanted to. There's something to appease the whole family. One of the food staples of Disney has become the sweet and delicious pineapple Dole Whip. Oh my goodness, it's so good. If you've not had it, go get it. It can be found throughout Disney World, but most go to Aloha Isle. That's in Adventureland at the Magic Kingdom. All right, so if you've never been here, just come right in, see the big castle, go, ooh, ah, pretty. Take a left. Adventureland's right there. Get your Dole Whip. It is delicious. And once you get it, every time you come back, you're gonna go, we gotta go get our Dole Whip, because that's what I do. Now, if you're wanting a magical full-service dining experience, inside of Beast's Castle, they have the Be Our Guest restaurant. Inside of Be Our Guest, guests can get seated either in the West Wing, which is forbidden, the ballroom, or the Rose Gallery. Regardless of where you dine, you'll have an amazing experience. Be Our Guest is one of the best restaurants at Disney for both food and service, and is definitely a fan favorite for all. Keeping this in mind, reservations for Be Our Guest book up fast. So if you're wanting to dine here, be prepared to set alarms for when reservations open up for your date. Or try your best to snag one of the last-minute cancellations that may come through. It'll definitely be worth it. Magic Kingdom is also where you'll find the daily parades and the nighttime castle light show, along with fireworks. During the parade, guests have the opportunity to see classic Disney characters in person. And during the Castle Light Show, guests can get swept up in a magical experience that revisits classic Disney movies. All right, let's get on the monorail. We're gonna take off and go to Epcot. Epcot opened in 1982. This park is home to the classic geometric Epcot ball known as Spaceship Earth. A lot of people call it the giant golf ball. We know what it is. Sitting on over 300 acres of land, Epcot has 4 main areas: World Discovery, World Celebration, World Nature, and of course, World Showcase. Within World Showcase, guests can immerse themselves in different countries around the world: Canada, France, Japan, Italy, Germany, China, and more. Each country is equipped with delicious foods and beverages, and some countries have attractions themed around them. Some of the main rides at Disney's Epcot are Frozen Ever After, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, Mission Space, Soarin' Around the World, which is my favorite at that park, Test Track, and of course, Spaceship Earth. Here's a little tidbit. On Mission Space, they actually interviewed an astronaut that went to ride it as soon as we opened it up, and he said it is the closest thing you'll feel to the G's on liftoff. So cool. Now, if you're looking for dining options, you've come to the right place. Considering Epcot has several featured countries in the park and even more during food festivals, there's bound to be something for everyone. Epcot is home to Akershus Royal Banquet Hall, Beer Garden Restaurant, Coral Reef Restaurant, Guard Grill Restaurant, Nine Dragons Restaurant, the Rose and Crown Dining Room, Space 2020 Restaurant, and San Angel in Restaurante, to name a few. One of the most popular dining spots in Epcot is Space 2020 Restaurant. Guests are able to dine in space. What? Uh-oh. Somebody turn off the gravity. 220 miles above Earth. Once you've made your reservation, guests step inside a special glass bottom and glass ceiling elevator that takes guests all the way from Epcot to Space 220 Restaurant. As guests dine on their delicious meals, they're able to view Earth just outside the windows in an amazing panoramic view. If you're looking for something a bit more romantic, San Angel in Restaurante is an indoor restaurant in Mexico, decorated to look like you're under the night sky right next to the Mayan ruins. Regardless of whether you choose to dine in space or in Mexico, we're sure you'll enjoy your day at Epcot. Also, what's really cool about that restaurant, you get to see everybody on their boats kind of passing by. You could say hi as they're riding the Tres Caballeros ride. Also one of my favorites. And of course, Epcot has their own nighttime show as well. Enjoy a beautiful water display and fireworks during Epcot's Harmonious. This show takes place in the middle of the lake wrapped by the World Showcase, so everyone can see a bit of the magic. All right, let's go to Hollywood Studios. Opened in 1989, this park is home to Star Wars. Sitting on over 135 acres of land, Hollywood Studios has 8 main areas: Animation Courtyard, Commissary Lane, Echo Lake, Grand Avenue, Hollywood Boulevard, Sunset Boulevard, Toy Story Land, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Some of the main rides at Disney's Hollywood Studios are Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Ooh, that's hard to say. Say that 5 times real fast. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Ooh. Rocket Roller Coaster, the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, Slinky Dog Dash, Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance, and Star Tours, The Adventure Continues. For dining options, Disney's Hollywood Studios has 50's Primetime Cafe, Hollywood and Vine, Woody's Lunchbox, Docking Bay 7 Food and Cargo, and Oga's Cantina. Now, here's a little tip from me to you. When you go to 50's Primetime Cafe, order the peanut butter and jelly sandwich milkshake. Oh my goodness, it is so good. It will change your life. Like, it is the closest thing you're gonna have to a religious experience. It's amazing. All right, now the most popular dining locations are going to be in Star Wars with Docking Bay 7 Food and Cargo and Oga's Cantina. Oga's Cantina is filled with an exotic array of drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. This local watering hole welcomes bounty hunters, smugglers, rogue traders, and weary travelers of all ages. Though we must say the menu does heavily cater to those over 21. If you're looking for a sit-down and dine restaurant, Docking Bay 7 Food and Cargo might be what you're looking for. Located in a hangar bay, guests have a variety of exotic items to choose from smoked Kaddu pork ribs to fried Endorian chicken tip-yip. Guests can delight their taste buds with delicious flavors. Now, it wouldn't be Hollywood Studios if they didn't have some of that classic Hollywood entertainment. At Hollywood Studios, guests can watch Beauty and the Beast live on stage, for the first time in forever, a Frozen sing-along celebration, and the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. And it wouldn't be Disney without some type of nighttime celebration. Enjoy Disney Movie Magic and Wonderful World of Animation, both nighttime shows followed by a beautiful display of fireworks. All right, last but not least, let's talk about Animal Kingdom. Opened way back in 1998 and is the newest of the Walt Disney World parks, Animal Kingdom displays the Tree of Life as its centerpiece. Sitting on over 500 acres of land, Animal Kingdom is the largest of the 4 parks. Across the park, guests can find themselves in Africa, Asia, Oasis, Discovery Island, Dinoland USA, and Pandora, the world of Avatar. Some of the main rides at Disney's Animal Kingdom include Avatar Flight of Passage, Na'vi River Journey, Dinosaur, Expedition Everest, and It's Tough to Be a Bug. For food options, Animal Kingdom is home to multiple dining places, though most noteworthy are going to be the Rainforest Cafe and Satu'li Canteen. The Rainforest Cafe is an immersive, full-service dining experience that allows guests to feel as if they are truly dining in the rainforest. Surrounded by trees and wildlife, the Rainforest Cafe is a place for the whole family to enjoy. And make sure you get Volcano! The awesome dessert, and everyone starts screaming Volcano. It's a lot of fun. If you're looking for a quicker option, Pandora is home to Satuli Canteen. With delicious and otherworldly looking foods, Satuli Canteen makes guests feel that much closer to the world of Pandora. And it wouldn't be Animal Kingdom without, I don't know, animals? Disney is home to roughly 2,000 animals. That's not including tourists, spanning 300 different species. While not all of these animals call Animal Kingdom home, most do. This allows guests to really connect with wildlife in such a unique way. One of the ways guests can do that is the Kilimanjaro Safaris. Kilimanjaro Safaris is an open-air vehicle guided tour of an African savanna where guests can spot animals roaming freely. A perfect experience for animal lovers. The last time I was on Kilimanjaro Safaris, I got to see a lion jump up on the big rock and he started roaring. So cool. Then, as the park slowly comes to a close, enjoy the Tree of Life Awakenings, Animal Kingdom's nighttime show displayed right on the Tree of Life. It's important to note that while Animal Kingdom does have a nighttime light show, they do not include fireworks due to all the animals living on site. If you're wanting to see fireworks after your day at the park, it might be best to park hop over to one of the other parks during their show. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.